Why I wanted you people to see that video of day 27, because they're connected. Mirror work is all about you and how you can transform every area of your life by doing affirmations. अब जब हमने मैजिक मिरर किया था तो उसमें हमने क्या किया था? We talked about paying gratitude to so many people. हमने जब 27th डे में पहुंचे थे, उससे पहले हमने कितनी चीजों के बारे में, कितने लोगों के बारे में हमने ग्रैटिट्यूड दिया था. हम अपने रिश्तों के लिए हमने दिया, अपने हेल्थ के लिए दिया, पैसे के लिए दिया, है ना? और हमने अब जो हमें सर्व करते हैं उन लोगों के लिए दिया, हमने एयर के लिए दिया, हमने फूड के लिए दिया, हमने वाटर के लिए दिया, हमने बहुत सारी चीजों के लिए हमने ग्रैटिट्यूड दिया. तब हमने डे 27 में पहुंच के वी लुक एट हु इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट पर्सन जिसको हमें ग्रैटिट्यूड देना है, एंड दैट पर्सन टर्न्ड आउट टू बी यू योरसेल्फ, राइट? और हमने उसमें देखा कि कैसे हम अपने आप को हर बार कुछ ना कुछ कहते रहते हैं. वी कीप सेइंग समथिंग और द अदर टू ourselves. One second, Almas wanted to say something. Yeah, Almas, good morning, good to see you. Good to see you, Ashokji.
Sorry, by mistake, sorry.
Okay, no issues. Okay, so so that is what we came to know, that the self talk we do is the most damaging thing. और हम अपने बारे में जो कहते रहते हैं, जो बोलते रहते हैं, वो हमारे साथ सारा टाइम रहता है 24/7. हम किसी और के बारे में कुछ कहते हैं तो ओनली ड्यूरिंग दैट पीरियड जब हम उसके बारे में सोच रहे हैं. बट wherever we go, we carry our beliefs about ourselves wherever we are. So वो हमें बहुत impact करते हैं. So that was magic mirror, if you remember. And we were supposed to go and stand in front of the mirror and say, I love you, I accept you. और अपने बारे में 3 चीजें बोलनी थी जो आपको अपने बारे में अच्छी लगती हैं और अपने आप को acknowledge करना था. Am I right? किसी को याद है ये सब?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So that was the day 27 chapter, the magic mirror. Now we are going to take this forward. In this book is called Mirror Work. And this is that book. I'll just show it to you. This is the book, Mirror Work by Lucy Hay. And we are going to start reading this. It's a very, but इसके chapters बहुत बड़े-बड़े नहीं हैं, छोटे-छोटे chapters हैं. But the only thing is that people who have only been coming to the sessions to listen to something and then just, not doing the practices, this will not help in this. Because in this practice, whatever is written, you have to keep practicing it during the day. जिस तरह से इस बुक में बोला गया है, अगर आप उसको उस तरह से करोगे तभी फायदा होगा. बिकॉज इसमें सुनने में कुछ भी नहीं फर्क पड़ने वाला, बिकॉज सुनने में कुछ है ही नहीं इसमें. अभी जब हम पढ़ेंगे ना तो यू विल रियलाइज इसमें ऐसा कुछ नहीं ऐसा खास है कि आपको सुनकर कुछ फर्क पड़ेगा. इट्स ओनली व्हेन यू विल स्टार्ट प्रैक्टिसिंग इट इन फ्रंट ऑफ द मिरर. आप अपने बारे में अफर्मेशंस करनी जब शुरू करेंगे तभी जिंदगी में कुछ फर्क पड़ेगा. या तो आई जस्ट वांटेड टू शेयर कि हमारे अपनी जिंदगी के बारे में, अपने बारे में, अपनी लाइफ के हर एरिया के बारे में कुछ ना कुछ बिलीफ्स हैं. है या नहीं है बताएं? है ना? जैसे मैं जब छोटी थी ना, मैं बचपन से ही गोल मटोल थी. एंड बचपन से तो नहीं थी, लाइक आई हैड टाइफाइड. उसके बाद में बहुत गोल मटोल हो गई. तो आई यूज्ड टू वेयर स्कर्ट्स इन स्कूल. और मेरे स्कूल में ना मैं थोड़ी सी हैवी थी कंपेयर टू अदर चिल्ड्रन. तो मुझे मोटी भैंस बुलाते थे मेरी क्लास के लड़के. You know how boys are. And yesterday when I was reading this book, and it suddenly, मुझे जैसे फ्लैश हुआ कि ये जो बात मैंने उस टाइम पे सुनी थी, ये कहीं पर आज भी मुझे मेरे दिमाग में रजिस्टर्ड है. Though I don't use the same words, but every time I look into myself in the mirror, the only image comes as, somebody who's fat. तो इस तरह से हमारा मनी को लेकर भी कुछ बिलीफ्स हैं जो बचपन से ही हमने कहीं ना कहीं से इम्बाइब किए हैं. चाहे एनवायरनमेंट से लिए हैं, चाहे हमारे पेरेंट्स से लिए हैं. उन सब से बाहर निकलने का रास्ता क्या है? वो बिलीफ्स हमें रिस्ट्रिक्ट तो करते हैं ना. That is why they are called limiting beliefs. हमें नहीं मालूम होता कि वो हमें लिमिट कर रहे हैं. But when we start looking at it, कि लोगों की जिंदगी में ऐसा हो रहा है, मेरे क्यों नहीं हो रहा? मैं भी तो ये सारे efforts कर रही हूँ. For example, if there is somebody who is regularly doing exercise and is going for walk और बड़ा controlled diet खा रहा है, and that person is really getting into shape, but then there is another person who is doing the similar things, but कुछ फर्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा. और वो आगे से क्या बोलते हैं, हमें तो पानी भी घी का काम करता है. कितने लोग बोलते हैं ये? हाँ, मीनू बोलती है, मैं भी बोलती हूँ कि हमें तो पानी भी घी की तरह लगता है. या तो वी स्टार्ट बिलीविंग इट. जब हमें पानी भी घी की तरह लगता है, हम ये बोल रहे हैं, तो एवरी टाइम वी आर ड्रिंकिंग वाटर which is actually giving us that feeling that it is accumulating fat in us. उसके बाद अगर आप जितनी एक्सरसाइज कर लो, जितना आप फूड कंट्रोल कर लो, कुछ नहीं होने वाला. ये बात जब हमें समझ आ जाती है ना कि हमारे लिमिटिंग बिलीफ्स जो हैं, they are not letting us get the results. अब इन बिलीफ्स को चेंज कैसे करना है? ये तो बन गए, इनको चेंज कैसे करना है? इनको हम इरेज तो कर नहीं सकते ना. जैसे हमने मैजिक में भी सीखा था, वी कैनॉट इरेज द ओल्ड न्यूरॉन पैटर्न्स. जो हमारे न्यूरॉन पैटर्न्स पहले बन चुके हैं, उनको हम इरेज नहीं कर सकते हैं, बट वी कैन क्रिएट न्यू न्यूरॉन पैटर्न्स. जो हमने 28 दिन में वही करते हैं ना. हम रात को सोने से पहले मैजिक रॉक, सुबह उठ के 10 ब्लेसिंग्स, क्या कर रहे हैं हम नए न्यूरॉन पैटर्न्स क्रिएट कर रहे होते हैं. Similarly, in this book, we will be talking about the affirmations. Affirmations are the most effective way to create new beliefs. जैसे हम मैजिक में भी कहते थे, फेक इट टिल यू मेक इट. अब जब affirmations भी करोगे तो आपको लगेगा झूठ बोल रही हूँ यार, ये मैं ऐसे थोड़ी हूँ. But once you keep practicing it, it starts imprinting in your brain. आपके सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में वो इम्प्रिंट होना शुरू हो जाता है. इम्प्रिंट होना शुरू हो जाता है तो दैट इज व्हाट योर बॉडी स्टार्ट्स बिलीविंग. सो इस बुक में हम लोग अफर्मेशंस के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज अ लिटिल बैकग्राउंड आई वांटेड टू गिव अबाउट इट. सो नाउ हु इज गोइंग टू रीड टुडेज चैप्टर? आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर द बुक. बहुत छोटे छोटे चैप्टर्स हैं, लंबे नहीं है.
Am I?
Yeah.
Archana Duggar, ma'am.
Okay, Archana, can you see it?
Yes, ma'am, I can see it.
Okay, so this is a book called Mirror Work by Lucy Hay. Okay, it's a 20 days to heal your life. This is not talking about only healing your body. It's talking about healing your life. अब लाइफ के जितने एस्पेक्ट्स हैं हमारे, चाहे वो मनी है, चाहे वो रिलेशनशिप्स है, चाहे वो हेल्थ है, चाहे वो है ना एनीथिंग, जैसे हमने मैजिक में भी किया था, इसी तरह से लाइफ के जितने भी एस्पेक्ट्स हैं वो सारे ही जो है वो कवर हो गए इनमें 21 डेज में. वो 30 डेज 28 डेज होता है, ये 21 डेज है. ओके, so I want everyone who's really committed to it to be present all 21 days, because एक दिन भी आपने मिस किया तो you will get derailed. Okay, so this is about Lucy here, which I have already shared also, and I will share it again in case you want. And these are the books she's written, and she's written done commendable work. Okay, so we'll start from here. Mirror Work, 21 days to heal your life. Lucy Hay, she started a website called Hay House, which has all her books and all. So you can, if you want, you can start accessing that. Okay, so we start from here.
Amal, shall I?
Yeah, please.
To all those who are ready to experience the joy of mirror magic.
Okay, so this is to all the people who are there right now with me, who really want to practice and enjoy the joy of mirror magic. So it's a magical thing which is going to happen. So keep, keep looking for the magic. And this time you will find the magic in the mirror, okay? Not outside, okay? These are the contents. It's going to be 3 weeks. So week 1 is going to be like, you can read it, Archana.
Week 1, day 1, love yourself. Day 2, making your mirror your friend. Day 3, monitoring your self-talk. Day 4, letting go of your past. Day 5, building your self-esteem. Day 6, releasing your inner critic. Day 7, loving yourself, a review of your first week.
Okay, so this is going to be week 1, which we are starting today. And so week 2 is going to be a little deeper. Yeah.
Week 2, Day 8, loving your inner child, part 1. Day 9, loving your inner child, part 2. Day 10, loving your body, healing your pain. Day 11, feeling good, releasing your anger. Day 12, overcoming your fear. Day 13, starting your day with love. Day 14, loving yourself, a review of your second week.
Yeah. Then week 3.
Week 3, Day 15, forgiving yourself and those who have hurt you. Day 16, healing your relationships. Day 17, living stress-free. Day 18, receiving your prosperity. Day 19, living your attitude of gratitude. Day 20, teaching mirror work to children. Day 21, loving yourself now. Afterward, 12 ways you can love yourself now and always about the author. And always. And last is about the author.
Okay, so this is the contents. And now let's start with the welcome. Is the font okay? You want me to increase it?
Ma'am, it's okay. I'll do it.
Okay,
Ma'am, it's
fine.
okay.
Yeah, please read.
Welcome. Welcome, dear ones, to my 21-day course of mirror work. It is based on my popular video course, Loving Yourself. Over the next 3 weeks, you will learn how to transform your life simply by looking into a mirror. Mirror work, looking deeply into your eyes and repeating affirmations, is the most effective method I have found for learning to love yourself and see the world as a safe and loving place. I have been teaching people how to do mirror work for as long as I have been teaching affirmations. Put simply, whatever we say or think is an affirmation. All of your self-talk, the dialogue in your head, is a stream of affirmation. These affirmations are messages to your subconscious that establish habitual ways of thinking and behaving. Positive affirmations plant healing thoughts and ideas that support in developing self-confidence and self-esteem and creating peace of mind and inner joy. The
Okay,
most
so yeah, pause. So this book is all about mirror work. Mirror work means you're supposed to say a few things. Affirmations, as I said, affirmations are like uh, signals to your subconscious mind. It's something which is again and again when you keep saying the same thing to yourself, that get imprinted in your subconscious mind, and that is a signal which is going to your mind, and you start behaving and thinking in that certain way. And that is what we have been doing throughout our life till now. And this is because of the self-talk, which I just said. We always keep talking about our own self. जो भी हम अपने बारे में बात करते रहते हैं, वो सेल्फ टॉक जो है वही हमारे सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में सिग्नल्स भेजती रहती है, और हमारी लाइफ में हम वैसे ही सोचते हैं और करते हैं. Think and act accordingly. So similarly in this book what she is teaching is कि हम पूरे दिन में जो भी कुछ कह रहे हैं ना, वो एक अफर्मेशन ही है, चाहे वो नेगेटिव है चाहे वो पॉजिटिव है, पर हम जिस चीज को बार बार कह रहे हैं वो अफर्म ही तो कर रहे हैं. वो अपनी अपनी लाइफ में उसको पक्का ही तो कर रहे हैं ना. So similarly, by doing this affirmation, which is positive, and doing it in front of the mirror becomes more impactful. जब आप अपनी आंखों में देख के बोलते हो तो उसकी पावर बढ़ जाती है. आप अपने आप को जब मिरर में देखते हो और you're talking to your own self in front of the mirror, it gives a lot of power to it. So this is what she's been teaching, and she's healed many people, and she's been teaching this for many years before she passed away. And this program is also available on her Hay House. You know, that online programs also they have started. I think I was just going through it yesterday, so I came across that. Hanji, pade.
Mirror work. Looking deeply into your eyes and
One second.
yes, ma'am. Now I can see. Ma'am, I went through another paragraph.
The most powerful.
The most powerful affirmations are those you say out loud when you are in front of your mirror. The mirror reflects back to you the feelings you have about yourself. It makes you immediately aware of where you are resisting and where you are open and flowing. It clearly shows you what thoughts you will need to change if you want to have a joyous, fulfilling life.
Okay, so now you know why it says that mirror work. जब आप मिरर के सामने खड़े होकर अफर्मेशन बोलते हैं वो ज्यादा इफेक्टिव होता है, बिकॉज जब आप अपने मिरर में अपना रिफ्लेक्शन देखते हैं, you see the reflection of the emotions and the feelings. Like yesterday when I was practicing this day one affirmations, I was feeling so sad when I was looking at myself, and when I was saying, I want to like you, I really want to love, really want to learn to love you. And I really realized it that I don't love myself. जब मैं उसमें अपने आप को चेहरे में देख रही थी, मिरर में देख रही थी, my मतलब my eyes and my whole persona, like my whole reflection was so sad. तो अदरवाइज हमको कभी रियलाइज ही नहीं होता. हम जब कभी बड़े एक्सूबरेंट होते हैं तो बड़े खड़े होके कह देते हैं, हाँ आज तुम बहुत अच्छी लग रही हो. बट डू यू रियली लव योरसेल्फ? I really saw it yesterday in the mirror when I was looking into my own eyes. It is really an insight which you will get when you start doing this. Hanji pade.
As you learn to do mirror work, you will become much more aware of the words you say and the things you do. You will learn to take care of yourself on a deeper level than you have done before. When something when something good happens in your life, you can go to the mirror and say, "Thank you. Thank you. That's terrific. Thank you for doing this." If something bad happens to you, you can go to the mirror and say, "Okay, I love you. This thing that just happened will pass, but I love you, and that's forever." For most of us, sitting in front of a mirror and facing ourselves is difficult at first. So we call this process mirror work. But as you continue, you become less self critical and the word turns into mirror play. Very soon, your mirror becomes your companion, a dear friend, instead of an enemy.
Okay, so once you will start doing it, initially बहुत मुश्किल लगेगा, और you will be criticizing yourself only कि मैं कैसी लग रही हूँ, मतलब मेरा चेहरा कैसा लग रहा है, मेरे देखो कैसा चेहरा हो गया, मैं कितनी सुंदर हुआ करती. You will be talking about these kinds of things. Initially, you will find it difficult to say those things, what this book is asking you to do. But slowly, when you start practicing it every day, your mirror will become your best companion and best friend rather than a critic. अभी तो हम आपको अपने आप को बड़ी क्रिटिकली एग्जामिन करते हैं इन फ्रंट ऑफ द मिरर. यहाँ से मोटी लग रही हूँ, यहाँ से पतली लग रही हूँ, बाल कैसे लग रहे हैं, आंखें कैसी लग रही हैं. So once you start doing this practice, you will fall in love with yourself at a deeper level. हाँ जी.
Doing mirror work is one of the most loving thoughts you can give yourself. It takes only a second to say, "Hi, kid," or "Looking good," or "Isn't this fun?" It's so important to give yourself little positive messages throughout the day. The more you see mirrors for complimenting yourself, approving of yourself, the supporting yourself during difficult times, the deeper and the more enjoyable your relationship with yourself will become. You may be wondering why 21 days for the program? Can you totally transform your life in just 3 weeks? 3 weeks? Maybe not totally, but you can plant the seeds. As you continue to do your mirror work, the seeds develop into new healthy habits of, of mind that open the door to a joyous and fulfilling life. So let's begin.
Okay, if you remember that day 27 chapter, the the picture on that this thing chapter, आपको याद होगा मैंने पूछा था सबसे, अगर आपने कल का वीडियो भी देखा होगा तो I asked everybody what does it look like. So it, and finally we said that it is a door which is opening to a new world, right? So similarly it says 21 days में कुछ भी drastically change नहीं होने वाला है, but it is like planting seeds. जब हमने मैजिक प्रैक्टिस शुरू किया 28 डेज में, तो आप मुझे सब लोग बताओ क्या 28 डेज में आप लोगों ने प्रैक्टिस शुरू कर ली, अभी तक कर रहे हो क्या लगातार?
No, ma'am.
बट
No,
कहीं ना
ma'am.
कहीं कोई ना कोई सीड तो प्लांटेड है ना, अचानक कुछ
Yes,
ना कुछ
ma'am.
तो याद आ जाता है.
On and off we do, ma'am.
यस, वो ऑन एंड ऑफ जब याद आ जाता है, यू स्टार्ट डूइंग इट, the more you will start practicing it, on and off wale ko, that will start giving you magical results, right? So similarly, it says in 21 days, you will plant that seed of that habit of speaking to your own self in the mirror, that affirmations. Once you get into that habit, धीरे 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 धीरे, कभी कभी आप दिन में अगर 4 बार करते हो, 2 बार भी करोगे, या जब भी मिरर के सामने से निकले बोलना शुरू कर दोगे अपने आप को, तो it will start giving you results over a period of time. These 21 days is only to form a habit, right? Yeah. Okay, so this part is about how to download the meditations, which I have already downloaded, but in case you want to download, you can also download it from the Hay House. So you have to go to hayhouse.com/downloads, and the product code is 1516, and the login, I think ID is ebook. And then you can go to the bonus section and you can download the meditations. But I will be sharing the meditations with you every day. So you have to do it in the night before, before going to sleep. Okay, let's do the week 1. Day 1, loving yourself. The most important chapter is beginning now in our life. It's not a chapter in the book. It's a new chapter in our lives. Yeah.
Loving yourself.
Yeah.
It's so important to love yourself. Mirror work can help you behind the most important relationship of your life, your relationship with yourself.
Okay. So हमने ना ये बहुत बार पढ़ा भी है, और and I also believe in it. The kind of relationship you have with yourself is the kind of relationship you will have with people, and people will have it with you. अगर आप अपने आप को criticize करते हो, तो you will find people are also criticizing you, and you're also criticizing people. You're not appreciating people. आप मन में सोच भी लोगे अच्छा लग रहा है, बट उसको जाके बोलोगे, मतलब मन में सोचोगे भी तो वो क्रिटिकल वे में सोचोगे, अच्छा तो लग रहा है बट ये नहीं इसने अच्छा किया हुआ, पता नहीं क्या समझते हैं अपने आप को, बट वो ना नेगेटिव वे में ही आप सोचोगे. बट इफ यू स्टार्ट falling in love with yourself and you start building that relationship with that most important person in your life, that is you. You remember that song, uh, Person in the Mirror by this
Look,
thing,
love the man in the mirror.
Man in the Mirror, sorry, Man in the Mirror. Yeah. So if you remember that, and if you want, you can listen to it again today. So that is the most important person. क्योंकि आपकी जिंदगी में उस इंसान ने हमेशा आपके साथ रहना है, 24 घंटे रहना है आपके साथ. आपके पेरेंट्स, आपके स्पाउसेस, आपके बच्चे कुछ देर के लिए आते हैं आपकी लाइफ में, कुछ घंटों के लिए है, या लाइफ में भी अगर आपने 60 साल भी बिता लिए, 50 साल भी बिता लिए, 35 साल भी बिता लिए, वो कुछ टाइम से है आपकी जिंदगी में, पर आप अपने साथ जब से पैदा हुए हो तब से हो, और जब तक जिंदा रहोगे तब तक रहोगे. So the most important relationship and the most important person in your life is you, the person in the mirror. Yeah, let's start.
When you begin your mirror work, you may think it's too easy or even silly. A lot of things I suggest that you do over the next 21 days may at first appear too simple to make a difference. But I have learned that the simplest actions are often the most important. One small change in your thinking can lead to huge changes in your life. Each day, we will address a different theme. I will begin with some thoughts on the theme and then give you a mirror work exercise. I would like you to practice throughout the day. You can begin in the morning by doing this exercise in front of your bathroom mirror, and then during the day, you can repeat it whenever you pass a mirror or see your reflection in a window. You can also carry a pocket mirror with you and use it to do mirror work whenever you have a few minutes to spare. I
Okay,
urge you.
sorry, 1 second. Okay,
It's
so अभी आज से जो exercise शुरू हो रही है, these are very important, and as I mentioned, unless you practice this mirror work, which Lucy here is giving you every day, nothing is going to change. अगर हम इसको पढ़ के चले जाएंगे तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला. You have to practice it. What she's saying is you have to start practicing it in the morning when you are standing in front of the bathroom mirror. आप ब्रश करने के लिए जा रहे हैं, आप जब वहां पर खड़े हैं, आपने तब से ही शुरू करना है इसको. Okay, you can stand there, you can sit in front of the bathroom mirror and start with that. And सिर्फ वहीं खत्म नहीं हो जाता है ये, आपको पूरे दिन में इसको जितनी बार आपको मिरर दिखाई देगा, ग्लास विंडो दिखाई देगी जहां पे आपको रिफ्लेक्शन दिख रहा है, यू हैव टू कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग इट, बिकॉज जितना आप इसको प्रैक्टिस करोगे उतना ही आपका अपने साथ रिलेशनशिप प्रगाढ़ स्ट्रॉन्ग होता चला जाएगा. सो ऑलवेज कैरी अ स्मॉल मिरर. आई हैव दिस स्मॉल मिरर विद मी. This is a small mirror which is always there in my purse. You can keep such a mirror with you. और आजकल तो मोबाइल है तो you can, you know, मोबाइल में भी आप मिरर की तरह उसको यूज कर सकते हैं. So you have to start doing it, practicing it every single day. Okay. So thoughts जो है वो affirmation जो है वो simple है, but initially उनको करना आपको difficult लग सकता है, silly भी लग सकता है कि क्यों करना है. But if you really want to heal your life, if you really want to fall in love with yourself, then there is no other way. You have to do it. Okay? Yeah, start.
I urge you to keep a journal and do mirror work. Just down your thoughts and feelings so you can see how you are progressing. Each day, I will give you a journalizing exercise, suggesting a few questions to help you get started. I believe that each of us has a power within us, a higher self connected to the universal power that loves and sustains us and brings us prosperity of every kind. Journal, Journaling will help you connect with this force. You will see that you have within you all that you need to grow and change.
Okay. So what she's saying is that every day mirror work करने के बाद आपको journaling करनी है. Like we used to do those practices every day in the magic. We used to write 10 blessings. And then उस दिन का जो भी हमारा assignment होता था उसको भी हम लिखते थे. So similarly, every day you have to start doing journaling. So this is nothing new to you. You know how to do the journaling. आपने इसमें जिस तरह से उसने questions दिए हैं, उन questions को answer करना है. अगर जैसे उसने every 6 hours लिखा है, 6 hours के बाद अगर आप नहीं भी कर पाते हो, no, doesn't matter. But before going to bed, do it regularly. जैसे आप अपना मैजिक रॉक प्रैक्टिस करते थे, वैसे ये वाली जर्नलिंग जरूर कीजिएगा. ओके, राइट. Yeah, please.
Each day, I will also provide you with a hard thought to support your mirror work and an affirmation to help you put the day's theme into action. Finally, I offer a guided meditation. I suggest that you sit quietly before you go to bed and reflect on how these ideas can make your life a little easier and a lot better. You can read the meditation in the book, or if you prefer, listen to the audio version from which it was adapted.
ओके सो अभी आपको सोने से पहले एक तो जर्नलिंग करनी है और एक आपको ये मेडिटेशन करनी है. अब ये मेडिटेशन अगर आप सुनना पसंद करते हो तो आई विल बी पुटिंग इट इन द ग्रुप. यू कैन लिसन टू इट बिफोर गोइंग टू बेड, और इफ यू वांट यू कैन डाउनलोड इट फ्रॉम द hayhouse.com/download. आप वहां जाके भी उसको डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. और इफ यू वांट टू जस्ट रीड इट, तो इट विल बी गिवन इन द लास्ट पार्ट ऑफ द चैप्टर एवरी डे. आपका मेडिटेशन जो है वो सारे वर्ड्स वहां लिखे भी हुए हैं. अगर आप सिर्फ पढ़ना चाहते हो उसको and you want to just concentrate on what is written there, you can do that also, whatever works for you. Okay, day 1, mirror work exercise. Here comes the first exercise which you're supposed to do. I did this yesterday and I found it very difficult, to tell you very frankly. I didn't find it easy to do it. So even if you find it difficult, don't worry, you will be able to go through it. The only thing is thoda effort lagega par karna hai. Okay, start.
Your day 1 mirror work exercise. Stand or sit in front of your bathroom mirror. Look into your eyes.
Pause.
Number
I had asked all of you to keep a mirror with you. Are you carrying a mirror with you right now, all three of you?
Yes, ma'am. I have to carry.
Okay, so why don't you do it right now? Okay.
Yes, we can.
Yeah, start it, Archana.
Take a deep breath and say this affirmation. I want to like you. I want to really learn to love you. Let's go for it and really have some fun.
Okay, so the first affirmation you have to do is you have to take a deep breath and say this. Look into yourself in the mirror. अपनी आंखों में देखो और बोलो, I want to like you. I want to really learn to love you. Let's go for it and really have some fun. अभी क्योंकि हमने पहले कभी करा नहीं है ना, हमने कभी अपने आप को बोला नहीं कि I like you or I love you. So this is a beginning. You're saying you want to learn. Now comes the next one. Please read.
Take another deep breath and say, I'm learning to really like you. I'm learning to really love you.
Yeah. Take a deep breath again and say, I'm learning to really like you. I'm learning to really love you. पहले आपने बोला I want to. Now you say I'm learning. Then comes the next one. Yeah, please read.
This is the first, fourth one. No? Take another deep breath and say, I'm learning to really like you. I'm learning to really love you. Number 5, this is the first exercise, and I know it can be a little challenging, but please stay with it. Keep taking deep breaths. Look into your eyes. Use your own name as you say, I'm willing to learn to love you. Archana, I'm willing to learn to love you.
So when you are doing this, the first one is I want to, the second is I'm learning, and third one is I am willing to learn to love you. And you have to say your name. Yeah. So I am willing to learn to love you, Jagjit. I'm willing to love you. थोड़ा फीलिंग्स डाल के ना इसको अपने मिरर के सामने, जैसे आप किसी को बोल रहे होते हो ना, ऐसे बोलना है अपने आप से, राइट? या नेक्स्ट वन.
Throughout the day, each time you pass a mirror or see your reflection, please repeat these affirmations. Even if you have to do it silently.
हाँ,
At
तो
first,
हो सकता है ना, सब जगह पे आप जोर से नहीं बोल सकते हो. मानो आप कहीं शॉपिंग करने गए हो, आपने वहां पे देखा, आप शोरूम में वहां मिरर लगा हुआ है, एंड यू जस्ट लुक एट योरसेल्फ एंड यू जस्ट से इट. आप मेंटली अपने माइंड में भी बोल सकते हैं, बट आपको ये करना है. जितनी बार दिन में आप मिरर को क्रॉस करेंगे उतनी बार बोलना है. थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा शुरू शुरू में, ये क्या क्या बोलना है. आप एक चाहे तो एक कागज पे ये 3 से 4 सेंटेंसेस लिख लीजिए और उसको अपने पास रख लो, एंड मिरर के सामने खड़े होकर उसको पढ़ के बोल लो. एक बार बोलोगे, 2 बार बोलोगे तो याद हो जाएगा, right? And then throughout the day you just have to keep repeating it, right? That's what you're supposed to do. Okay.
at first when you do your mirror work, you may feel silly or stupid repeating the affirmation. You may even be angry or want to cry. That's all right. In fact, it's quite normal. And you are not alone. Remember that I am right here with you. I have been taught this too. And tomorrow is a new day. The power is within you. Your day one journaling exercise.
अभी आपको जर्नलिंग क्या करनी है उसके बारे में बता रहे हैं. आपको मिरर वर्क में क्या क्या बोलना है आपने सुन लिया. You have to do these three different kind of sentences you're supposed to say, and now is the journaling. So after you have done this practice, मिरर वर्क की प्रैक्टिस करने के बाद, how are you feeling? आपको कैसा महसूस हुआ? जैसे मुझे बहुत सैड महसूस हुआ. I was feeling like, क्या कर रही हूँ मैं अपने साथ? What have I done to myself? I'm not even connected to myself. When I was looking at myself, I was looking at some stranger. I felt like that. तो आपके अपना, जब आपने पहली बार करा उसके 5-6 घंटे के बाद सोचो कैसा महसूस हो रहा है. तो जिस तरह से उसने जर्नलिंग के पॉइंट्स लिखे हैं, आपने उस तरह से उसका जवाब लिखना है. एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू अगेन, अगर आपको 6 घंटे के बाद टाइम नहीं मिलता लिखने का, डोंट वरी, बट don't miss it. Write it before going to bed. Okay? Yeah. Please read it.
After you finish your morning mirror work, write down your feelings and observations. Did you feel angry or upset or silly? Number 2, 6 hours after finishing your morning mirror work, again write your feelings and observations. As you continue to practice your mirror work formally and informally, did you start to believe what you were saying to yourself? Number 3, keep track of any changes in your behavior or your beliefs over the course of the day. Did the exercise get easier or did you continue to find it difficult after doing it a while? Number 4, at the end of the day, before you go to bed, write down what you learned from doing your mirror work.
Okay. So आपने करना क्या है, अपनी फीलिंग्स को चेक करना है. जैसे हम मैजिक में भी कहते थे ना, when you start writing those 10 blessings, you will I mean the only way to find out is that आपने जब स्टार्ट करा उसके बाद जब आपने खत्म करा, आपकी फीलिंग में कितना शिफ्ट हुआ. Are you feeling happier? Are you feeling lighter? So similarly, after doing this practice, how are you feeling? Are you feeling sad? Are you feeling angry? आपको कैसा महसूस हुआ? और जब इसको आपने बार बार किया तो क्या आपको इजी लगा या मुश्किल लगा? या तो आपने वो सब आपने अपने लिए जॉट डाउन करना है. एंड व्हाट डिड यू लर्न फ्रॉम इट? लाइक आई लर्न फ्रॉम इट yesterday when I was doing it, that I'm not connected to myself. I am not even, if I say iota of how do I put it, मतलब मुझे लगता नहीं कि मैं अपने आप से कनेक्टेड हूँ. मुझे लगता नहीं मैं उस पर्सन को जो मिरर में उसको जानती भी हूँ. मैंने अपना कुछ अलग से इमेज बना रखी है, मैं उसी से रिलेट करती हूँ. but not the person in the mirror, which was very eye-opening for me yesterday when I did that. Yeah. So you have to write your learning. आपको क्या महसूस हुआ? आपको क्या समझ आया? हाँ जी, your heart thought.
Your heart thought would be: 1. I am open and receptive. If we do mirror work to create good in our lives, but there is a part of us that doesn't believe we are worth it, we are not going to believe the words we are saying as we look in the mirror. We will reach a point at which we start thinking mirror work doesn't work. The truth is, the perception that mirror work doesn't work has nothing to do with the mirror work itself, or the affirmations we say. The problem is that we don't believe we deserve all the good that life has to offer. If that's your belief, then affirm, I am open and receptive.
Okay, so बहुत बार हमें लगता है यार ये हमारे लिए तो बनी नहीं है चीज, हमें तो मिलनी नहीं है कभी भी. I'm not never going to get this. If I say I want to have a Shilpa Shetty type of figure, and my belief is I'm never going to have that. So I feel I'm not worthy of it. I don't deserve it. So the affirmation, a person like me or anybody who has any such self-talk about yourself or the belief about yourself is, I am open and receptive. I'm just if you remember the secret, it says na allow. आस्क के बाद था ना, रिसीव करने से पहले अलाउ, तो आपने उसको अलाउ करना है. यू हैव टू अलाउ whatever affirmations you're saying, that kind of a life if you want, you have to allow that into your life. वो अलाउ कैसे करोगे? जब आप ओपन होगे. अगर आप क्लोज्ड हो, I mean, I remember when we used to do this trainings, तो बॉडी लैंग्वेज के ऊपर बात करते थे ना हम. तो when somebody sitting with this, ऐसे arms close करके बैठता था, so we always used to tell them, open your arms and sit like that, because when you're sitting like this, you're closed, you're not open to things to come into your life. So similarly, आपने जब ये एक्सरसाइज करनी है, आपने पूरा दिन अपने आप को क्या बोलना है? I'm open and receptive. I'm open and receptive, and then do the mirror work. Then it will start working for you. Okay. Now this is the meditation. Audio download कर दी है मैंने, आपको भेज दूंगी, and you can just read it for yourself so that you know कि रात को सोने से पहले आपने क्या सुनना है. Yeah, please.
Your day one meditation, loving yourself. Day one of the audio download. Each one of us has the ability to love ourselves more. Each one of us deserves to be loved. We deserve to live well, to be healthy, to be loved and loving and to prosper. And that little child within each of us deserves to grow up into a wonderful adult. So see yourself surrounded by love. See yourself happy and healthy and whole, and see your life as you would like it to be, putting in all the details, knowing that you deserve it. And then take the love from your heart and let it begin to flow, filling your body and then moving out from you. Visualize the people you love sitting on either side of you. Let the love flow to those on your left and send them comforting thoughts. Surround them with love and support and wish them well. And then let the love from your heart flow to the people on your right. Surround them with healing energies and love and peace and light. Let your love flow around the room until you are sitting in an enormous circle of love. Feel the love circulating as it goes out from you and then comes back to you multiplied. Love is the most powerful healing force there is. You can take this love out into the world and silently share it with everyone you meet. Love yourself, love one another, love the planet, and know that we are all one. And so it is.
Okay, so this is the meditation, and if you want to listen to it right now also, I can just play it for you. And do you want to listen to it right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it just take 2 minutes or something. So you can just sit straight with your spine straight, close your eyes. Just tell me whether you're able to hear this. So this is Lucy Hay. It's her voice. And are you able to hear it?
No, ma'am.
You're not able to hear it? One
No,
second.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
1 second, 1 second. Let me see what to do. Okay. Just tell me once you start are able to hear it. Otherwise, I'll put it in this group only.
Ma'am,
Did you
it's
hear?
not audible.
Okay, fine. Then I'll put it in the this thing only. Yeah. 1 second. Did I share it? 1 second. Stop sharing. Then share. And then I go to. Okay, fine. I think I will do that only. I'll put it in this group. Then you can listen it from the group itself. Okay. Okay.
ma'am.
So this is day 1 of the mirror work. And the only thing I want to say is that हो सकता है शुरू में आपको लगे यार ये क्या बकवास है मुझे नहीं करना ये because we are not open to it. You know, when Archana was reading it and journaling की बात हो रही थी and उसके बाद meditation की बात हो रही थी, so the thought crossed my mind was that there could be people, there could be participants who are there right now जिनको ये लगे कि यार ये सब बकवास है, ये सब कौन क्या करना है, इससे कुछ नहीं होता है. So that means you are not open to it. You're not receptive to it. If you really want to create a difference in your life, and we are learning different tools. Magic in gratitude is one tool which you learned. Mirror work is another tool. Mirror work along with affirmations is a very powerful tool which has helped millions of people. And if you're really open to it and receptive to it, you will definitely be able to, transform your life. You will change your life the way you want to change it. And today is day 1, and it is going to be a difficult exercise. I know that because I felt it myself yesterday when I was doing it. But do it. Do it as many times as you can. जितनी बार करोगे उतना आपको easy लगता चला जाएगा. Because initially मुझे बहुत मुश्किल आया, and then I kept doing it every time I was in front of the mirror. I specifically went in front of the mirror and started doing it. And थोड़ा सा effort लगा, but yes, it was worth it. By the end of the day, I felt slightly better about my own self. So start doing it and keep journaling it. आपको किसी के साथ शेयर नहीं करना है, कुछ नहीं करना है. यहाँ पे भी मैं आपसे नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि आप आके शेयर करो. हाँ, आपका मन करता है, आप शेयर करना चाहते हो अपना एक्सपीरियंस, श्योर. बट आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू से कि हाँ आपको कैसा लगा, आपने क्या लिखा. मैं नहीं पूछूंगी आपसे, वो आपका अपना एक्सपीरियंस है. इफ यू वांट टू शेयर इट विद पीपल, इट्स योर चॉइस, but do it definitely, because unless you do it, you will not know what you are going to create in your life. And keep affirming this, I'm open and receptive. This is very important. ये तो बहुत easy भी है ना, ये तो आप सारा दिन बोलते रहो, I'm open and receptive. And it is not only for the mirror work, it's for everything in your life. I'm open and receptive. हमें पैसा चाहिए, हम बोलते हैं हमें पैसा चाहिए, money magnet है, and we keep saying that, you know, all the thank you for all the money I've received throughout my life. And then we are talking about the health, and we keep saying that, you know, the gift of health is keeping me alive. But are we open to it? Are we receptive to it? So this is very important. ये चीज हमने मैजिक में नहीं बोली, but secret में बोली है. Allowing it. So allow it to flow into your life. Yeah. So let's see how it goes for you. And I will share the meditation on the group, and I will also learn from somebody how to, you know, share it audio on the Zoom, so that you can we can listen to it during the session also, right? Okay, so thank you so much, and hi Canny, good to see you, but you just joined towards the end, and I'll be sharing it on the group, so if you want, you can listen to the video and learn how to do it. And book is also been shared on the book on the group. If you want, I will share it once again. And Ashok ji, आप भी please जरूर कीजिएगा. It is not only meant for women, huh? It's meant for everybody.
Ma'am, I have a question, ma'am.
Yeah, Archana, please.
Ma'am, these three lines which are there, I like you, I am willing to love you,
I want to like you.
I want to like you. I don't remember the lines, I'm sorry.
Yeah. That's what I was telling you. Write it on a piece of paper.
Ma'am, we have to say, like, it's written in the thing that we have to say every 6 hours. But we have to say these.
No, you have to keep saying it during the day whenever you see a mirror.
But all the three we have to say.
Even if you are in the kitchen and you are washing utensils, तो आपको स्टील के बर्तन में भी अपना चेहरा दिखता है.
That's true, ma'am. But
प्लेट को उल्टा कीजिए और अपने आप को बोलना शुरू कर दीजिए.
मतलब तीनों बोलने हैं कि जो याद आ जाए वो बोले, तीनों बोलने हैं.
सीक्वेंस है तीनों का.
अच्छा, तीनों एक के बाद एक बोलना है. Okay.
The first one is I want to. Yeah. Second is I'm learning. Third is I'm willing.
Okay.
Yeah. So there's a sequence to it. So you have to follow that sequence and keep saying this. I'm open, receptive. Yeah, that's very important.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Anybody else has any question? Can you just wrote something?
Ma'am, tell me one thing. Each day we will be having one affirmation in each chapter. Yeah, more than one.
नहीं, अभी जैसे इसमें 3 लाइनें हैं. मिरर वर्क की 3 लाइनें हैं ना.
But day 1 की तो एक ही लाइन है ना, I am open and receptive.
No.
वो तो इनिशियल हो गया ना.
ना, वो अफर्मेशन तो आपने सारा दिन वैसे ही बोलते रहना. मिरर वर्क के सामने जो आपने मिरर के सामने बोलना, वो तो 3 लाइनें है ना आपकी.
I want to.
वो आपका आज की एक्सरसाइज. आपकी एक्सरसाइज वो है. ये वाली अफर्मेशन तो आप सारा टाइम बोलते रहो, हर रोज बोलते रहो. Mirror work or no mirror work, because if you are open and receptive to things will start flowing into your life, right?
Okay.
Yeah. But इस सेशन की जो चैप्टर 1 है, चैप्टर 1 की आपकी जो मिरर प्रैक्टिस है, उसके वो 3 सेंटेंसेस, हाँ, 3 लाइंस जो है, वो है आज आपका एक्सरसाइज. एंड यू हैव टू कीप डूइंग इट एवरी टाइम यू क्रॉस अ मिरर. एक बार करके नहीं छोड़ना है. एक बार अभी कर लेना सुबह सुबह, और उसके बाद बार बार दिन में करना है. एंड व्हाट इट सेड इज आफ्टर 6 आवर्स, पहली बार जब करा उसके 6 घंटे के बाद आपने लिखना है कि आपको कैसा महसूस हुआ. एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू, इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू डू दैट, डोंट वरी अबाउट इट, बट डू इट बिफोर गोइंग टू बेड, व्हिच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. दिन में आपने करा तो आपको कैसा महसूस हुआ वो जरूर लिखना है. व्हाट वाज योर लर्निंग आफ्टर डूइंग दैट. So that is very important. और उसके बाद मेडिटेशन सुनने के बाद सोना है. Okay, so this is the exercise for today. Any other question?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So thank you, everybody. It was
Thank you, ma'am.
it's a new journey for all of us. I'm
Yes,
also doing
ma'am.
it for the first time. So we all are together in this, and let's have fun doing this. And keep the mirror with you every day when you're coming for the session, so that
Okay, ma'am.
जो उसमें practice करनी है वो एक बार हम session में भी कर लें. Yeah, right? Okay.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
thank you.
Thank
I'll
you,
see you
ma'am.
tomorrow and try to join in by 6:15. So in case there's any question or you want to share something about your experience, you can do that, right?
Okay, ma'am.
And ask other people to join, because it's something new, and it is going to be very effective. Because people have
Sure,
created
ma'am.
lots of things in their life by doing this mirror practice, right?
Yes,
Chalo.
ma'am.
See you then. Have a wonderful day, and I will.
You too, ma'am.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
Riddhi. Thank you so much.
Bye.